Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, permissions and default app status. Open Right Dialer, grant call, contacts, microphone access so features work. Next, sign in with your phone number and enter the 6-digit SMS code. This links your account to the device. Once done, set Right Dialer as the system default in settings Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Default Apps. This ensures incoming and outgoing calls use it automatically. Make sure battery optimization is disabled, so background features remain active. You now configure the core functions to match how you call. Import contacts from a vCard or link your Google account and resolve duplicates so names display correctly. Then enable smart calling, turn on caller ID, spam detection, and optional call recording. Each has toggles with brief explanations. After that, build speed dial groups and assign digits 1 through 9 to priority contacts. This gives instant access. Finally, test by placing a call to a saved contact and observe the UI prompts. You finish by verifying everything works end-to-end. Make a short test call to check microphone and speaker routing, then review call logs for expected entries. If you observe one-way audio or failed connects, inspect permissions and cellular or Wi-Fi status. These are common causes. If problems persist, reboot the device, re-grant call and microphone permissions, and, as a last resort, reinstall Right Dialer. This clears corrupt caches. Keep one troubleshooting tip. Always confirm default dialer status after updates.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.